Today, we'll show you how to install the REESE low profile handle for the REESE M5 fifth wheel hitch, part number 58553. The REESE low profile handle is designed with its grip in the horizontal position. It replaces the one included with the M5 to provide added clearance and prevent obstruction in trucks with tonneau covers and other bed accessories. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. During this installation, we'll be using the following tools. We'll begin the installation by removing the original handle included with the M5. Using an M13 wrench, loosen and remove the nuts, washers, and carriage bolts, fastening the handle to the fifth wheel head. Be sure to hold on to this hardware as you'll be using it later in the installation. Slide the original handle off the securing bar to remove it from the M5 head. Slide the low profile handle onto the securing bar and align the holes. From the top of the assembly, thread the carriage bolts from the original handle through the aligned holes. Thread the remaining washers and nuts onto the bolts and fasten them with an M13 wrench. Tighten these nuts until they're snug. This wraps up the installation for the REESE low profile handle for the M5. For more information and other great products from REESE, visit REESEproducts.com.